Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Starpets latest promo codes as of 2026. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for Starpets promo codes. Now when you search for it, you will find the first link from the Starpets itself. So you need to simply click on the option of promo codes. Then it is going to redirect you on this particular promo code page, where if you have an activated promo code, you just have to simply provide that over here and then simply select the option of activate. Now over here you will also see the option of get promo code, so you just have to simply click on it, and now you need to select the social network from this list. So after selecting the social network, you just have to basically choose your favorite social network, then find a promo code and then you need to use it. So let's say I've selected Instagram. So after clicking on the Instagram, it has redirected me on the Starpets official Instagram page. So you will find some of the promo codes over here too. So make sure that you follow them on these socials, because on these socials you are basically going to get the promo codes which you can then redeem over here. So on the website, you can also just simply come back and take a look at some of the websites. Like we have this website called vthrift. So over here, as you can see, these are some of the latest promo codes that you can use in order to purchase pets or the items on Starpets. So you can try these as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.